In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove section break in Google Docs. If your document is behaving oddly, maybe headers or footers suddenly change, margins shift, or a new page starts when you didn't expect it, there's a good chance a section break is to blame. Section breaks are useful for changing page layout or formatting between parts of a document, but when they're added by accident, they can be confusing. Let's walk through a simple way to find them and remove them so your document flows the way you want. First, open your document on a desktop browser and look to the top of Google Docs for the menu bar. Click on View. This is where you control what you see while editing. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see View, try maximizing your window so the full menu appears. We'll use a visual aid here that makes hidden formatting marks visible. Next, in the View menu, turn on Show Non-Printing Characters. This option reveals items that don't normally appear on the page when you print. Things like paragraph marks, tabs, page breaks, and importantly, section breaks. Once this is turned on, you'll see faint indicators in your document. Section breaks usually appear as a dotted line across the page with a label that says section break, often noting whether it's a next page or continuous type. This makes them easy to spot, especially in longer documents where scrolling past them is common. If the line is small on your screen, consider zooming in a bit so you can read the label clearly. Now that you can see the section break, place your cursor immediately before the dotted line or at the start of the line after it. Press the delete key if your cursor is before the break, or backspace if your cursor is after it. The section break should disappear, and the surrounding text will join together according to the formatting of the remaining section. If you have more than one section break, repeat the same action for each one you want to remove. Keep an eye on headers, footers, and margins after deleting a break, since removing a section can cause those elements to unify across the adjoining sections. If something changes and you don't like the result, use undo to revert and try again. That's all there is to it. View, show non-printing characters, find the section break, and delete it. Once you're done, you can leave the non-printing characters on for future troubleshooting or turn them off the same way you enabled them for a cleaner editing view.